Hi guys, 173 here. Welcome back to another video. Well, it's more of a tutorial, or I don't know. But the good news is I got my profile picture back. And so yeah. And I have some good news. Pretty sure you guys will enjoy if you guys subscribe to 173, which is my channel. I have some excellent news. So, recently my PlayStation got on a virus. So it took me a long time to get removed, and now it's in proper work. Oh my god, I can't speak today. It's just working good. Proper working order. So it's doing good. And yeah, I have a few games to download, and as I said before, VR, virtual reality, Five Nights at Freddy's is coming back. Stay tuned for that. Five Nights at Freddy's VR and Job Simulator. Those two VR games are coming out on my channel. So yeah, I hope you guys are excited for this. And yeah, let's have some fun. And yeah, I'll be recording another video later on today on my PlayStation, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, peace.